Okay, go team.
If you like bread and gooey cheese, stay tuned because we are making a special treat.
Yep. Hey everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
So, super excited today. We're not making pizza for you, but this is a kind of a guilty treat from when I was a young boy. My grandma Alma, 98 years old, still kicking it in the kitchen.
In June, don't overage her.
Okay, I shouldn't.
Coming up, 97.
She's going to be 98
She'll
in
be
June.
98 in June.
She's getting there, so she's going to make it.
Of course.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
But don't,
Yeah, I guess
women don't like you to add years.
Okay, I don't want to jinx it. Fine. She's 97 and still rocking it in the kitchen.
Yep.
But she used to make this cheesy bread when I was a little boy. And between my two older uncles and my brother, it would be like steak knives out on who was going to get more.
Who's going to get, yeah.
And it's just a total simple recipe. Just plain old French bread, milk, shredded cheese, green onion, mayo. She used Miracle Whip, which we're
always.
She
would always make sure if we were out of Miracle Whip when she visited that she would buy us more.
Yes.
Which is very sweet.
Yes. But we're going to use vegan mayo, and we're obviously using Daiya. She also added a little bit of Worcestershire, so we're going to use our vegan Worcestershire. And then, so the two kind of things that we're going off script is obviously we're using plant-based cheese, but we're going to use
plant-based everything.
We're going to use a smoked Gouda block and a cheddar. We're going to blend those up, and then a little bit of garlic. And you just mix that up with the mayo, cover it on the bread.
Bake it.
Oh my gosh,
it's really good.
So good. So let's make Grandma Alma's bread. Okay.
Right.
Here we go.
So the first thing you're going to want to do to make Grandma's cheesy bread is you've got to shred your cheese. Today we're going to be using both block cheeses from Daiya. One is a smoked Gouda and the other is a cheddar, and we're just going to kind of mix those up to combine them. With the cheese all grated, the next step is just to get our spread put together. We're going to start out by adding our Worcestershire, our chopped garlic, green onion, and a little bit of vegan mayo. We probably used about a half cup. We start out with a little bit, and then as you stir it up, you might need to add a little bit more, but just get that all stirred up and combined. And then what we're going to do is, with the help of a magic knife that appears out of frame, Katie's going to get the bread all sliced up, and we're going to slather a healthy dose of that cheese mixture onto the bread. We're going to get it onto a baking sheet and then right into the oven. The cheese is nice and melted and gooey, which means the bread is ready to go.
Grandma's bread is done.
It looks good.
Doesn't it? And it smells good. You can smell.
It's like the freshness of the onion.
Yeah, yeah, okay. I have to eat. So
Okay.
let's try it.
Yum.
Oh my goodness. That is just as good.
Tastes like Grandma's house. Thank you, Alma.
Yeah. Thank you, Grandma. Love you. This is super easy. Don't eat this all the time, but I'll tell you what.
It's recommended with spaghetti, so Friday night spaghetti nights and cheesy bread.
Yeah.
That's the recipe it goes with.
That's
perfectly.
when we add it, and
yeah,
super warms my heart that we made this. So
I hope you'll enjoy this recipe too.
yes.
So
All right.
awesome. Thank you for watching.
Yes. And go ahead. You know the deal.
Be kind
Eat pizza.
with plants.
See you, everybody. Bye, Grandma.
I'm taking mine with me.
It's so good. I hope that she watches this.